Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon everyone. I am Buisa Nalibay Kinidar. So we are the reporter in this chapter 5 entitled Soil and Plant Nutrition. So in this chapter, the students are expected to first explain the importance of soil and plant nutrition in crop production. Second, differentiate soil texture and soil profile. Third, describe briefly the different soil horizons. Fourth, identify deficiency symptoms of macronutrients and micronutrients in plants. Last, explain the effect of toxicity of micronutrients in plants. So first, let us know what is soil quality. Soil quality is a major determinant of crop yield. The need to manage the soil resources in order to sustain the productivity of the soil. So, ang soil quality is malaki itong dahilan kung bakit tayo ay nakakapagtanim at kung bakit tayo ay nakakapag-ani and kung bakit yung ating pananim is bumubunga. And kailangan din is ma-manage natin yung soil resources para ma-sustain natin yung productivity ng soil ng ating plants. Soil is a basic requirement in crop production. Yes, of course, ang soil is kinakailangan yan sa pagtatanim. Soil mismanagement in various forms of stemming from poor soil condition must be addressed and prevented. So, kinakailangan is mapigilan natin yung mga soil mismanagement para mapanatili natin yung kalidad ng lupa ng isang plant. Next is fertile soil improves plant growth by enhancing plant nutrition, the process by which an organism takes in and make use of food substances. So, dito sa fertile soil is nakakapagpapabuti ito sa paglaki ng isang plant. And maintaining and improving soil fertility in long term requires knowledge in soil management. Yes, kailangan is meron tayong kaalaman tungkol sa pag-aalaga ng soil ng plants. And the term soil fertility refers to the inherent capacity of the soil to supply nutrients to plants in adequate amount and in suitable proportions. So, ang soil fertility is tumutukoy ito sa isang inherent ng isang soil. And kailangan is makapag-supply ng tamang nutrients sa plants. And a well-managed of soil provides suitable medium in which seeds can germinate normally and is capable of supplying the necessary nutrients for crop growth. Next is the soil composition. Many types of soil contain similar composition although in various proportions. These are organic matter either living or dead and decomposed water containing nutrients, mineral particles of different sizes such as sand, silt, and clay, and air spaces of spore. So, for instance, in the topsoil, see this picture. I hope na maklaro nyo. Yan. Yan ang topsoil. So, for instance, in the topsoil, humus is the major component of topsoil, consisting of materials produced by the decomposition of organic matter. More organic matter is found on the topsoil than underlying subsoil, which is composed of more clay. So, ang organic matter is, kadalasan is, dito siya na nakikita sa topsoil. Unlike sa subsoil is more on clay. And Mineral particles of soil consist of chemicals in the form of silica, aluminum oxide, and iron oxide, which together account for 90%. So, small amount of limestone in the form of calcium carbonate is also a chemical constituent of the mineral particles of the soil. Okay, so next is soil profile. The soil profile is a sequence of soil layers or horizons which extend from the soil surface to the parent rock material. So, ang soil profile is ito na yung mga pagkakasunod-sunod ng layers of soil from the soil surface down to the parent rock material. So, meron itong iba't ibang characteristics and properties from the adjacent layer above, and below. So, soil profile is a key to understanding the process that have taken place in soil development, a means of determining the types of soil that occur, and as basis for soil classification. So, ang soil profile is isa rin itong susi para maintindihan natin ang mga proseso na tinitake ng soil para ma-develop yung lupa ng isang plant. And next is determining the profile of soil shows whether there is any barrier in the movement of water and roots. So sa pagtukoy ng profile ng isang soil is makikita natin doon kung meron ba itong barrier sa pagdaloy ng tubig sa ugat. And if soil layer is slowly permeable to water, glaying usually occurs within and above the layers. And next is the depth of soil accessible to roots is important since it determines whether sufficient moisture will be available to crops.